Wow. Hello.
New feeling.
Really? Actually got a goosebump. We use milk to clean the mushroom.
Yeah.
Wow. And then we eat right in the mountain. Ah, look at this. I learned a lot today. Hello guys, it's Super Prasha and we're still in Bregen, Austria. Today I'm in Olga house.
Yeah.
I asked Olga mom to cook some delicious local meal for me, so I'm very excited about it. Olga, what is this dish called in Austria?
It's Speckknödel. You can cook it with different fillings, with different kind of doughs. Yeah, like we have it with apricot also. It's delicious. But
Okay, today it's gonna be ham, right?
Yes.
What's your dad
exactly.
going to pick it up right
Yeah.
now? Well, your mom is cooking now. Let's go to the
Yeah.
kitchen. All right, let's go. Okay, hi. This is the Olga mom, and she's going to cook us today the Austrian dumpling, right? What is it called again? Grease?
Knödel.
Gnocchi. Gnocchi. It's outside made from potato flour, is that correct?
No, that's not potato. I don't know what's this.
But the dough outside is made from this flour, right?
Wheat.
Oh, it's a wheat flour, okay. Okay.
You have to smell.
It smells really, really smoky.
Oh.
Ooh. Wow, this is like the local mushroom here. It's Chanterelle. And now we cut the ham into small pieces for the filling of the dough. Need to keep the oil out.
This one is grease.
This is for the dough, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I thought it's a potato, but it's not. What is it, Olga?
Greece is semolina.
Semolina.
Yeah.
Okay, I don't ever heard of that.
Yeah, we use it for many dishes.
Okay, and this is from here, like this local name. It's Daram wheat, and it's gonna call semolina. Wow, I learned a lot today. So what we use this bread for? Why we tear this bread apart?
I think it comes into the filling.
Oh, it's also in the filling.
Yes. Or in the dough. No, in the dough. In the dumpling itself.
Okay, gotcha. So it's a part of the dough.
So also like a bread.
Yeah, a little bit of breadcrumb. Oh, so we just use the egg white only?
Not really, but here it's only
And then
yellow.
we use the egg yolk in the fillings,
Yeah.
then egg white for the dough. A lot of butter.
And muscatnuts.
Muscatnuts. Yeah, gonna ask Olga, what is muscatnuts? Your mom tried to explain to me.
It's a nut and it's used just for flavor. You just use a little.
Oh, it's pretty strong, right? The flavor
Yeah.
of it.
You have to smell.
Oh, it smells like herbs.
Yes.
Oh, this looks like a giant dumpling for me. Oh my god, this looks like an eggs. Look, it's feel almost the whole hand of her. And then after this, do we have to boil it again, or we good to serve?
You have to fry it.
Ah, you fry
Now we
it.
cook. We cook in water.
Oh, we
then,
boil. Okay.
And then we fry it.
Got so many processes.
Like-
It actually is like a Chinese dumpling, right?
I don't know. It's Austrian.
yeah. But it's and normally people eat this in winter, right?
Every time.
Any time of the year.
And they make it also knödel with old bread. If they have at home old bread, they make it as
Oh
Austrian
yeah.
knödel.
It's huge. I think it's too much though. Ah, look at this. What are we gonna do with the mushroom today?
They make it sauce. Mushroom sauce.
Nice. This is the cream.
No, not cream. For clean.
Clean. Oh, this is to clean the mushroom.
Yeah.
What is this?
A milk.
Milk. We use milk to clean the mushroom.
Yeah.
Wow. And how is mushroom doing? With bacons, the dough, the mushroom. I can feel the mountain spirit.
Yeah.
Everything here is so earthy. And now we're gonna boil the dough into the water. How long is the boil this?
4 minutes maybe.
Oh, just a minute. We still have some filling left, and we're gonna add it back to the mushroom sauce. Oh, we're gonna pan fry it. Oh, scary.
Welcome to Austria.
More butter. Ta-da!
Hello.
And of
Hello.
course, thank you so much for this meal.
Austrian knödel.
Wow. And then we eat right in the mountains of all the earthy ingredients that we have. Wow, let's cut it. Woo. God, how is it?
Very good.
It's really, really good. Yeah.
Special.
The flavors of the ham and the mushrooms.
Yeah, it's go together well,
Yeah.
probably, because it's simmering. Wow. Right now it's my turn. Wow. Look at the feeling. Oh. First bite. Wow, just the smell is so good already. Wow.
It's a new feeling.
Really? Actually, I got a goosebump.
It's new life.
My god, this is so like, I don't know, this is the best dumpling, the Austrian dumpling I ever tried. It's very earthy, it's very buttery. The mushroom, the ham, the onions, everything is so well together. Wow. Thank you so much. This is so good. Well, it's really worth the time to cook this. So normally people eat this. It's a traditional as like family when they come together and stuff.
Yeah. Yes, they do.
Never saw, but it's good.
No, but it's so good.
Very good.
Thank you so much. It's delicious. Paprika. Wow. Wow, I'm so grateful for everything here at the moment at the beautiful view. Olga
They
delicious
looks
food
perfectly.
and the company.
Perfectly.
Yeah.
We are a good team.
Yeah. Oh my god, this is amazing. Meanwhile, while we cook the meat, Olga makes also the cucumber salad. It is going so complementary well with the dish because it cut out the richness of the dish out. Well, thank you so much for cooking for us today, and I think you should do a cooking show. Actually, you're very good at this. Thank you so much, Olga.
You're welcome. Thank you for being here.
I will see you in the food episode. Click like and subscribe on my channel. Thank you so much.
Really?